See, I am basically my profession was teacher. So I have been acquainted with music for a long time. I learned Kathak also, but somehow I couldn't pursue more. But because I was always into music more, so I had learned, I had sung in the Durga Puja celebration. I have knack of getting. I have not been trained though. I didn't receive any training, but I have knack of catching wrong rhythm and wrong time. Very, very fine wrong sur I can really make out this person created a mistake here.
Yeah.
Through the song only, after finishing song की बात नहीं कर रही. गाना गाते समय ही I can pick and point out कि इधर इसका सुर गलत हो गया. Now I love to sing when I'm alone, I'm feeling depressed, or usually I never feel depressed. Lekin when I'm in stress, I sing and I feel very relieved.
Exactly.
It's a music is a therapy. The person who really does it can only feel that. You cannot say in words.
Exactly. Agree.
That what it gives you, because you cannot tell in words. What sort of feeling you have and what sort of calmness you feel and subtleness you feel after listening or singing, that is only different with person to person. So after teaching, I carried out teaching for a long time, but after my kids I stopped. I was just a homemaker. Then I had, when they grew up, I thought I was counseling all round, but I didn't do any degree.
Okay.
So I thought, for my own respect, I should do something. So I did MA Psychology.
Okay.
Quite late in life, but better late than never.
Agree.
So I learned more about psychology in depth. When you are reading music, then music notes and all, you have to retain them. You cannot go off them. In psychology, you have to learn what you have gained the knowledge, but you have to imply it according to the patient and the time and how he is feeling or she is feeling. You cannot go by the bookish knowledge.
Right.
This is the difference between music, and giving music therapy is also a part of psychology. Many people don't heal with normal medicine. Yeah, they don't need medicine, but still they are very disturbed and perturbed. They cannot be calmed down. Their mind is not. They are too much into getting confused or get. For them, playing music therapy and giving them music therapy is the best, because it calms their mind. Then they can understand what they have to do next.
Exactly.
I just always tell, please don't be bookish. You gain the knowledge, but according to experiences, imply it.
Agree.
Otherwise, it is a problematic thing. If you are बुकिशनेस जो होती है, जिसको कई लोग सोचते हैं कि नहीं हमें बहुत आता है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हाउ टू इम्प्लाई द करेक्ट थिंग ऑन द करेक्ट पेशेंट. आप म्यूजिक में भी देख लीजिए, सारे गाने सबको नहीं पसंद है. कुछ गाने जिससे वो उनका मूड चेंज होता है, दैट आर द कैटलिस्ट फॉर दोज पीपल. सबकी अपनी अपनी चॉइस होती है, अपनी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी. दैट इज हाउ म्यूजिक में भी कितने सारे वो है, क्लासिकल है, जैज है, पॉप है, सबको सारे नहीं पसंद होते, कुछ किसके फेवरेट होते. इसी तरह से साइकोलॉजी में भी every patient has got a very different outlook for the same matter, and especially with children it is quite tough because they cannot explain what exactly they are feeling. I have been going through, saved few lives because they were on the mark to just they want to vanish from the world. उनको समझाया, बताया, ये करा, and they, सबसे बड़ी बात है, they listen to me. The first and foremost thing, I don't have to manipulate them. I just make them comfortable, and then I tell them what to do, and very simple therapy I tell them, and they do, and they are happy. So what I need, I don't need anything.
Yeah.
That self-satisfaction is the best satisfaction rather than money is a need.
Yes, I
But
agree.
self-satisfaction money से भी नहीं आता कई बार.
So, first question which I want to ask from you, ma'am.
See, it's very important to involve music in them, the children, because at the early stage, the motor skill development is taking place in the body. सबसे पहले उसे enhance करता है music. Secondly, emotional जो development हो रहा होता है, emotional development also takes place very nicely if music is involved, and child agrees to it with happiness. The main motive is child should be happy and it should be passionate about it. With music, the third thing comes is the cultural appreciation. If child learns music, he'll interact with each other, he'll come to know the world around him or her nicely. These are very, very small things, but they matter a lot.
Yeah.
And then with music, you always learn discipline, because you have to do your practice at a particular period of time, for a period of time.
Yeah.
दोनों चीजें.
जी.
You learn punctuality from music because it needs a particular time, exact time to start and exact time. You can't delay it because you have to go to school. So child start learning from their own. Then comes the language and the literary skill, because whatever you are singing, you should know the meaning of it also.
Yes.
So many new words, sometimes there are, some songs are very simple, but if you sing Vande Mataram,
Yeah.
it has got so many difficult words that I will really say that even our elders don't know exact meaning of the full Vande Mataram. But if the child start learning, he is inquisitive by nature.
Yeah.
He will ask, इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है, and that all continues, and this is the way he learns really a good literary language. Music helps in creating a wonderful world of imagination. It increases the imagination part and increases the creativity in the child. Then comes the coordination. When you sing in a group, you cannot sing, you are not performing solo.
Agree.
You cannot just sing, नहीं जिस लय में मैं गा रहा हूँ मैं ही गाऊंगा. No. You have to coordinate your voice with the instrument as well as the persons which are next to you. Otherwise, your voice will be sounding odd one out. इस तरह से child learns lots of things from just learning music, and this stage is the growing stage where you can easily adapt these things and they come part of your life.
When music learning is in the life of others also who are working professionals, those working professionals can be either in the private sector, public sector, or they are working with corporate culture. If they are involved in learning music, because in COVID, lot of things happens, especially those online education increases. बहुत सारी कंपनीज आई, स्पेशली से की बात करें, ऑडियंस के लिए भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट लर्निंग को ओपन किया, एंड बहुत सारे जो लर्नर्स रहे उन्होंने इनरोल भी किया. इफ दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन लर्निंग एनी काइंड ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट या फिर एनी काइंड ऑफ वोकल, सो विल इट हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग देयर स्ट्रेस लेवल आल्सो?
See, music enhances your skills. It calms your mind. And in working professional, first thing is known, that's my corporate world, your working skills. First thing comes to your mind is pressure and stress. And music is eradicator of pressure as well as stress. It calms your mind. It's wonderful that if a person who is a professional in support in corporate and he is into music also, his performance will be far better than his colleagues. Now I tell you why. Because through music, if he is doing rehearsal in morning, firstly he'll be punctual at the job because he has learned this through music. Secondly, he'll be very, very calm and decisive and disciplined because music teaches us discipline and punctual. These three things are supposed to be there in every corporate. Sir, मैं late हो गया. This is not the word to be used by them. They are inbuilt. That's why we say बचपन से सीखोगे तो आपकी आदत वैसी ही बनती है. विदाउट म्यूजिक की भी बात बता रहे, बड़े लोग बताते हैं बचपन से आपने जो सीखा है वो आप कभी नहीं भूलते. तो अगर बचपन से म्यूजिक सीखा है तो म्यूजिक के संग का रियाज और ये करने का, आज कहीं जाने का तो टाइम पर जाना है, टाइम से वापस भी आना है. ये नहीं हैंग आउट करते रहे और रात भर नहीं सोए फिर सुबह कैसे उठोगे आप. तो ये बिकम टोटली एक डिसिप्लिन मैनर में आप काम करते हो, which is very, very useful for a professional. He can easily explain his point of view due to his increased imagination and creativity, and he can answer the question without any argument because his mind is at calm. Music always gives you politeness because it creates such atmosphere. Are very, very, very hard to become. किसी से rash बोलना या rude बोलना, you don't feel like, because music doesn't teach you this. So the work professionals, if they are learning music, it is very good for them as a professional, and it will increase their level of proficiency also.
When we talk about learning music, so we can learn music either by reading the sheets which we have. अगर हम इंडियन क्लासिकल की बात करते हैं so उसमें हिंदी में नोटेशन रहता है. अगर हम वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक की बात करते हैं तो उसमें हमारे पास शीट्स होती हैं जिसपे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सिंबल्स होते हैं. I want to ask you, is playing music by reading is better than playing by ear, or playing by ear is better than by reading? What are your views?
Musicians are always very deep, imaginative, intuitive readers. They are very good readers and are very subtle and very. They don't miss lines because if you miss lines, you will be confused. Music ही खराब हो जाएगा. So they are very good readers. Going through the notes, if you have learned it, I don't say about violin. Violin notes are bit difficult, but in keyboard, if you learn it without reading also, you can play pretty well.
Last thing I want to know, ma'am, if you get a chance in learning or choosing any instrument, which instrument will it be?
I actually always wanted to play sitar, but somehow my vocal is much proficient than my instrumental. I have seen. क्योंकि दोनों हाथ को instrumental में you need both the hands should work
in a sync
equally.
Yeah.
My left hand is not that good with tal and rhythm. My right hand is.
Okay.
So ऐसे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है उनको जो लेफ्ट ब्रेन और राइट ब्रेन जिनको बोलते हैं, उनको ये प्ले करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. जिनका दोनों हाथ आराम से चलते हैं तो वो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो प्ले करते हैं. देयर इज थाउजेंड में 1 और 2 ही आपको मिलेंगे जो कि प्ले भी करेंगे और संग में गा भी लेंगे. इट इज अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब, playing and singing both at the same time.
Okay.
And also playing different instrument with singing. They have their God gift. That is God gift. And it can come through home practice.
Yes.
It can be enhanced. So that is my saying from my side. I love vocal.
So what suggestion you want to give to young learners who are wanting to learn either instrument or vocals?
It is all about personality. it is all about the personality. The person who can sing can always play. But it all depends upon them. उनका caliber क्या है? They can learn singing or they can learn instruments. Because I feel when you play like guitar, like when you play and sing, it is a full concert going in front of you. He doesn't need anyone else except his own guitar. Same way, Tanpura is not a much of a thing to play.
It serves as an accompaniment instrument.
हाँ, accompany करता है, plus your notes are on the same. The tal is not changed. Your notes are same. It is for that support system के लिए. तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि जो बहुत अच्छा गाना गाए वो बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर भी. अगर बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर और बहुत अच्छा गायक है, it is really a achievement. Because I will not say that सबको ही बजाना चाहिए, सबको, जिसका जो मन, जिसके लिए आपका मन अच्छी से अंदर से गवाही दे, you feel like doing it, you are passionate about it, you should do that. It is you who have to decide that what you want to play and what you don't want.
So first of all, we have to explore the interest. Anybody who wants to learn, they have to explore their interest. Yeah.
And this can be done only by the person who is accurate, decisive and problem-solving person.
I agree. Yeah.
Music teaches you this also. How to skill yourself and to solve the problems without seeking anyone else's help. This is also taught by music only. Because आप music कितने तरह के होते हैं, लेकिन आप सुनते किसी एक या दो म्यूजिक को हो ना. सबको तो नहीं अच्छा लगता है सब चीजें. तो जैसे आप वो सुनते हो, उस तरह से अपने लिए भी आप सुन सकते हो कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है और क्या नहीं. जो नहीं अच्छा लगता है जाने दीजिए, और जो है उसके संग आप at least you will be happy. The first thing and foremost thing is you should be passionate what you are learning. You should be happy with what you are learning. लेकिन जो इनकी मेंटालिटी होती जा रही है ना, that is a very different point of view. I am telling, म्यूजिक के संग क्यों इतना वो अटैच नहीं हो रहे, क्योंकि म्यूजिक also needs lots and lots of patience only. Because you have to be an early riser, you have to be punctual, you have to be disciplined. Everything which is good is related with music. And आजकल की जो बच्चे हैं 2 दिन में तो वो बोर हो जाते हैं. It needs consistency. Consistency भी तो होना बहुत जरूरी होता है ना म्यूजिक के साथ. So all the things which are good is related with music. So music सीखने वाले भी उतने ज्यादा धीरे धीरे करके हो जाए. इसीलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, बच्चों को छोटेपन से सिखाओगे तो they will not go off track.
Exactly.
म्यूजिक से जो वो उनके दिमाग में एक बार घुस जाएगा ना, एनग्रेव्ड हो जाएगा कि ये चीज ये सिखाती है, ये अच्छी है, उसको कोई नहीं मिटा पाएगा. इसलिए लेट उसमें यूथ में, इवन आई शुड से द अर्ली एज शुड बी बिटवीन 9 to 12, not 16.
Okay.
When teen comes, आधा दिमाग तो पहले ही खराब हो जाता है. बच्चे सब सोचते हैं मेरे से स्मार्ट कोई है नहीं. That is the problem.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving your time. It was a great meeting and talking with you.
चलिए, आपकी वजह से मैंने एक और न्यू सब्जेक्ट सीखा कि इससे और क्या होता है. मैं यूजुअली आई एम अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट. मैंने पीएचडी नहीं करा है, लेकिन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ. तो यूजुअली स्ट्रेस, ब्रेकअप प्रॉब्लम्स, सुसाइड, यही सब का करते 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 मैं भी थकी. This is a new venture for me also, and which is very मतलब now I can at least tell them therapy देने के टाइम पे कि you can do this also if you like music. So it will be a beautiful pathway for me also.
Thanks, ma'am.
I'm equally thankful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.
For more details, visit www.88studiolko.com.